Today I did a lot of cleaning in the backyard and was tired to cook something but wanted to eat something healthy and quick to make. So today I'm making avocado toast. You have to cut the avocado at the right time when it's ripe, not when it's overripe, it will turn dark. So I'm going to take out all the avocado from inside, scoop it out. Different people use different method of cutting the avocado, so do share your method. And then I'm using this masher to mash it. I like chunks. If you like smooth paste, then you can use the food processor, but I like chunks, so I'm going to use this. Sometimes I use fork also if I'm in the car or in a rush. So many vegetables go with avocado, but here I'm going to use a simple seasoning with lemon juice, salt and black pepper. You can add carrots if you're making it for kids. If you're adding tomatoes, then add tomatoes at the last minute because it will leave water. So add lemon juice so that it doesn't get oxidized and turns dark. You can also put the seed inside so it will not turn dark. And then take it out when you want to use it. So here I have toasted bread. I have used olive oil for toasting the bread on the griddle. I didn't use my toaster. And using ingredients, I'm using black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds is a dense taste and a different nutritional value. So use both kinds of sesame seeds. And this is a spicy one. It's for me, red chili flakes. My husband doesn't like spicy. So I'm going to put on one toast, red chili flakes and microgreens. So do try different variety of avocado toast and do let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching. Eat healthy, stay healthy and blessed.